I'm mounting the Arcus Premium Turbo Diamond blade on a wet tile saw. The Arcus masonry blade has got 10 millimeters of rim height. It's contoured shaped and it's curved, flat, curved. And the reason for this is so that it'll travel on a radius instead of in a straight line. The way this mounts is the contoured shape is flared out towards you. And the reason, again, is so that it'll travel in a radius when you move your material through here. Now there's a left blade and a right blade. The right blade is for a saw that turns counterclockwise, and the left blade is for a saw that turns clockwise. These are directional blades. When mounting this on the tile saw, you have to remove the cover, loosen this up, take the 10-inch blade off, and we're going to be putting a 7-inch blade on. Now I put a spacer back here so I can keep this centered, and I use a 5/8-inch bushing on here. Okay, then I put a spacer on here also, because this large spacer that goes on here, this washer, you don't want it too big because it would flatten out the blade. So you'll tighten this down and you'll be ready to cut. Now, I'm going to put a piece of plastic on this bed because I want it to be slick so that when I move the tile across here, it'll be a nice smooth cut. This bed that's on here currently is rubber and it's kind of sticky, so it won't slide very well on there. So what I've done, take a piece of 3/4 inch plastic and put on here. Now you could use plywood or some other material. Now you'll take your saw, and first off you're going to set the bevel angle somewhere between 5 and 10 degrees. And the reason for that is, again, so you have a straight edge when you go around and cut. You're going to lower this so you're flush with the table, and that's so that you'll get a smooth cut, go all the way full depth through the material. So I'm going to cut this ceramic tile. You can see it's a good smooth cut, very good finish. This is a 15-inch radius cut, so you're ready to move on to your next piece. If you need speed in your cut, accuracy in your cut, no wasted materials, repeatability, then you need the Arcus saw blade.